Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check battery health on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. First of all, let's open settings on the smartphone, then navigate down to battery. In battery, select battery information menu. And here you will find all the information about your battery, so the current battery level, the status, the full charge capacity, the health percentage, the cycle count of your battery, so how many times it was fully discharged, the manufacture date, and first usage date. Besides, we can also run diagnostics and check battery health in real time. To do that, let's scroll down to device care in settings. Now in device care, we can select diagnostics, and here we can check, for example, for applications that use battery the most. And in phone diagnostics, we can run the different diagnostics for our phone, but if you only want to check battery, we can stop diagnostics and then only go to battery status, check its life quality, the general status, and the capacity right now. We can also test the battery again to check for battery health once again. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.